Yesterday we had practiced some sums on chain rule. Let us focus more on different varieties of sums. The first one, the sixth one, integration of square root of 1 plus sine 5x. Though this is linear, but it is because of sine function, I cannot integrate it directly. My first task is to get rid of that square root. Okay, so I'll write it as integration of square root of 1 plus sine 5x. If you remember, 1 plus sine theta can be written as cos theta by 2, correct, plus sine theta by 2 the whole square. The square and square root gets cancelled. So what will I get? Integration of cos 5x by 2 dx plus integration of sine 5x by 2 dx. Now I can integrate because x is replaced by 5x by 2. Cos का integration sine 5x by 2 divided by coefficient of x, that is 5 by 2. Sine का integration minus cos divided by a, what is a? 5 by 2 plus c. So you can write the answer as 2 by 5 sine 5x by 2 minus cos 5x by 2 plus c. ठीक है? Now next sum, the seventh one, it is integration of sine 5x into cos 7x. We don't know any UV rule for integration, so I need to convert this multiplication into addition. Let's go back to 11th standard. How can you convert trigonometry multiplication into addition? Factorization formula. Yes. So I'll multiply by 2. I will divide by 2. है ना? So I'll also divide by 2. ठीक है? तो क्या हो जाएगा? हाफ 2 sin a cos b. क्या होता है? Sin a plus b, that is 12x, plus sin a minus b, that is minus 2x. बराबर? Now it is very simple. We can integrate this. So half sin का integration minus cos divided by coefficient of x, that is 12, minus sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Sin का integration minus cos 2x upon 2 plus c. Understood? Now just make it plus sign. If you want, you can take comma, you can multiply, you get your answer. Okay? The next sum, it is tan x upon sec x plus tan x. Now it is purely trigonometry based. There are two ways: either convert tan in terms of sin cos cross multiply, or else if you see there is a relation between sec and tan, I will rationalize the denominator. So if I rationalize the denominator, what will I get in numerator? Sec x minus tan x. Denominator क्या हो जाएगा? Sec square x minus tan square x. What is sec square minus tan square? 1. So my question becomes tan x sec x minus tan square x. Yesterday we had learned we cannot integrate tan square x directly. So my tan square x can be written as by entity sec square x minus 1. Correct? Tan x sec x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? Sec x minus sec square x का tan x minus minus plus 1 का इंटीग्रेशन x. This is my answer. ठीक है? Next, ninth one is integration of similar sum like we just did now. Sin 4x cos 3x. Multiplication है. I want to convert into addition. So 2 half. So half हो गया ये. It will become 2 sin a cos b is sin a plus b प्लस साइन ए माइनस बी, है ना। तो इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? राइट हियर ओनली साइन 7x का माइनस कॉस 7x अपॉन 7, इसका माइनस cos x. This is your answer. Understood? Very easy sums. Just introduction of your topic. Now 10th one, now 10, 11. These are very good sums. This also we have done in the first lecture. Again, to have more practice, let's do. I am discussing more on these sums in the upcoming exercise. Also, making it a special type of sum. Okay. Now again see. Degree of numerator and degree of denominator is same over here. So what will I do? I will try to write this denominator in numerator. So what will I do? I will write 5 by 3. क्या किया मैंने? दोनों के कोएफिशिएंट्स को बाहर निकाल दिया. I am replacing x by 3x minus 4. ठीक है? Plus 2 I am keeping as it is. Now if I multiply, I will get my 5x as it is. Minus 20 by 3 extra है, so I'll do plus 20 by 3. Understood? If I solve the numerator, I should get back 5x plus 2. It means I am correct. If I am not getting, I am wrong. So let's try. 5 by 3 बाहर आएगा, ये हो जाएगा 3x minus 4 upon 3x minus 4 dx. Plus 6 plus 20, 26 by 3 dx upon 3x minus 4. ठीक है? तो कट. Remember 0 नहीं आएगा, it will be 1. So 5 by 3 dx का इंटीग्रेशन x. Again mistake you will make. It is 1 upon x. My x is replaced by ax plus b. So 1 upon x का इंटीग्रेशन क्या है? Log modulus of x divide by coefficient of x. Coefficient of x कितना है? 3 plus c. This will be your answer. ठीक है? Next sum again same children, if you remember, इसका पावर भी 1 है, इसका पावर भी 1 है. तो क्या करेंगे हम लोग? I'll write x as x plus 5. So x plus 5 minus 2 already है, plus 5 extra किया है तो minus 5 upon root x plus 5. ये एक ब्रैकेट और ये एक ब्रैकेट, क्या हो जाएगा? इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x plus 5 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ x plus 5 माइनस कॉमन 7 dx upon x plus 5. So please write dx with every integral sign. ये क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 5 raised to half, है ना? This will go up. Minus 7 x plus 5 minus half. ठीक है? ये क्या हो जाएगा? x plus 5 power is half, so 3 by 2 divide by 3 by 2 into coefficient of x, that is 1 minus 7. Again x plus 5 minus half plus 1 half upon half into coefficient of x, that is 1 plus c. ठीक है? Yes. Let's move on to this sum. It is cos 2x upon sin square x. Again I want to get rid of this denominator. कैसे? I'll write cos 2x as cos square x minus sin square x. Up I'll substitute sin square x to both of them. तो cos square x upon sin square x क्या आएगा? cot square x. sin square x upon sin square x क्या आएगा? dx, है ना? I don't know integration of cot square x. You learned in the second lecture. cot square x क्या हो जाएगा? cosec square x minus 1. और ये minus 1 minus dx you already have, है ना? तो cosec square x का इंटीग्रेशन minus cot x. -1 का इंटीग्रेशन -x, -1 का इंटीग्रेशन -x. The answer is minus cot x minus 2x plus c. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट अभी क्या है, sin 4x upon cos 2x. I want to get rid of this cos 2x. How can I do that? Just look at the numerator carefully. Sin 4x है, नीचे एंगल कितना है 2x. So I'll purposely write that 4 as 2x plus 2x, or you can say 2 times 2x, है ना, 2 times 2x. तो न्यूमरेटर क्या हो जाएगा, sin 2 theta. What is sin 2 theta? 2 sin theta cos theta upon the denominator as it is. Cos 2x cut, 2 बाहर आया, sin 2x. sin 2x का इंडिकेशन क्या आएगा? Yes, minus cos 2x upon coefficient of x, that is 2 plus c. 2 cancel. The final answer is minus cos 2x plus c. ठीक है. Yeah. So the last sum, very important. F dash x is given. F dash x is given. You have to find f of x. Now here comes the actual role of integration. We know that f of x is nothing but इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ f डैश x. f ऑफ x को डेरिवेटिव लगाया, आई गेट f डैश x. f डैश x को इंटीग्रेशन लगाया तो मिलेगा f ऑफ x. यस, सो आई नो व्हाट इज f डैश x. लेट्स सब्स्टिट्यूट. करेक्ट. नाउ इंटीग्रेट दिस x, इट विल बिकम x dx. 3 कांस्टेंट है, बाहर आएगा, पावर विल कम इन न्यूमरेटर. So minus 3 dx, है ना. x का इंटीग्रेशन x square by 2 minus 3. x raised to n का इंटीग्रेशन minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 plus c. If you forget c over here, 100% you get the answer wrong. What I got my f of x as? Still there is some unknown value c, so I have not got my f of x. क्या दिया है, f of 1 is given as 11 by 2. and substitute x as 1 over here because f of 1 is given. So it becomes f of 1 equals 1 by 2 minus plus 3 by 2 1 plus c. f of 1 कितना है 11 by 2. ये कितना हो जाएगा 2 plus c. So 11 by 2 minus 2 equal to c. Therefore c becomes 7 by 2. Moment I get c, therefore I can say f of x will be x square by 2 plus 3 upon x square plus c कितना है 7 by 2. This is my f of x. Okay, thank you.